This means that part of increasing backup mates is in instigating affairs to switch to a better um, potential mate. Women are predicted to maintain extra pair affairs for purely emotional reasons and others for sexual encounters. Some affairs can last for months or even years. According to Grilling and Butts, affairs can serve as a form of mate insurance, a trial run, a simulation of a long-term relationship, and an option against making a full commitment. Affairs allow opportunities for a close-up assessment of an alternative mate and an ability to gauge the relationship from a distance. Now, isn't it very interesting that last sentence? Affairs allow opportunities for a close-up assessment of an alternative mate and an ability to gauge the relationship from a distance. When the close-up assessment should be done with the current partner, where's all of that time that you should put into the current partner? Instead, the female women in this particular section of this lecture, they are spending time cultivating um, potential alternatives, uh, backup mates. They are creating a backup mate for mate insurance, just in case their long-term relationship with already mated partner, doesn't work. And there's more time and work ethic, given to cultivating the possibility of an alternative mate versus the possibility of moving the current relationship further long term. So it's just very interesting.